There was a project manager by the name of Alex. Alex was working on an apartment unit renovation project. His job was a difficult one because the project continuously stalled and was disorganized, no matter what he did. He also had to constantly change his schedules because there were so many differences between unit types, and the owners wanted some units to have dark kitchens and others to have light kitchens. He continuously updated his scheduling spreadsheets and tried to send them to his contractors, but the contractors got confused because they didn't know where to go and when to be there. Then one day, at his highest point of frustration, Alex crossed paths with another project manager, Todd. Alex was seeking advice as to how Todd handled the same problems. Todd told him that he no longer had those problems since he started using a new software called RenoSystemPro. Todd was raving about how easy the software was to use. He could create unit templates for as many unit types as there were on any property. When the owners wanted different options in different units, RenoSystemPro handled them like a dream. The software not only communicated with his contractors daily about what tasks they had coming up and where those tasks were located, but also his suppliers by letting them know what units were added to the project and when they needed the supplies. Todd was telling Alex that one of the best parts was that when you add a unit to the system, it produced the project schedule for that unit instantly. Alex asked Todd, "How long does all that take you to do?" And Todd responded with, "No time at all, the software does it all automatically." Alex was so impressed that he started using RenoSystemPro. His project began running smoothly, and he was able to take on another project. His apartment units were finished on time or early, and the project renovation costs went down. Even the contractors were very happy, and they too made more money. The project was finally organized, and Alex was promoted.